Hey guys, it's Trey here, and we are going to be playing Long Live Santa. I thought it would be a good game to play on the computer. I'm on the computer this time, because recently I've been on tablets and stuff. I don't know if I've uploaded those videos, but I will upload more feedback for y'all, and I spend 10 minutes, 20, 30 on my videos every day after I make them. And okay, so I think we should do this one cuz I like these. These are fun. So making sure y'all can hear me. Oh, we're already doing it. Oh, no! 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 Don't kill me. Don't kill me. Okay. 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 Yes, I got the sword. I got the sword. No, I died! If y'all can't hear the audio from the game, then that's horrible because it's like do 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 do. See? I love this little thing. So it says at the top, it says who will be the last Santa standing, and on this Santa, Necro, I don't know what that means. Versus, oh, these are real players. Versus, who is this? Chicks. I don't know if he's talking about girls or other stuff, but about chicks like ducks. But look, I think I placed my bets on this guy's gonna win. Nico. I like to call him Necro because I don't know what. Or Nico. Nico or Necro are the two names. Oh, Necro! And look at this cool thing. Aw, he doesn't have it. How does he not have it? Oh, we're going this round. Oh, you think you can win? I'm gonna hit you. Alright, I'm clicking my mouse as fast as I can right now. Yeah, no! Wait, why is there a guy named Retarded? Because he is retarded! Oh, my puppy! My puppy is so cute. Hello, come here. You want to say hi? I wish I could have my webcam up, but I don't have my webcam yet. What are you barking at? What are you barking at? Come here. Who would be the last Santa standing? Stop barking at me, Arlo. Stop it! Ow! You shook his butt at him! Oh, he's a crossbow! Oh! I think Retarded's gonna win. Retarded's gonna win. No. This guy died. No. Oh, is Retarded gonna win? I think Retarded might win. No. Nico! Look, this is what I want to show y'all. Stop barking! He is a me! My dog's being stupid. Shut up, Arlo. Oh, I'm gonna die! I'm gonna die! No! I can't die! Yes! Yo! No! Retarded! I want that sword! No, he killed me. But no. Shut up! Now, get down right now. I gave him a toy. Or not a toy, but actually, I want that frisbee back. I'll be right back, guys. Sorry, guys, my gaming set just messed up. Okay, I'm back. And my gaming set is beautiful now. Way better than it was before. Okay. Where are the Santas? Oh, here's one. Oh. One's up there. I think... Is that retarded? No, that's Chicks. Chicks won! And he has a ham instead of cookies and milk. Such a weird game. But I like it. It's fun. I think I'm going up there to the high ground. That way. That way. That way. Oh, he's jumping with me. Go! How do I speed run? I don't know. Is this how you speed run? No, that's not how you speed run. I just want to get away. Oh! 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 Yo. Yes. Yes, dude. Oh! Oh! There's a present. There's a present. There's a present. There's a present. There's a peasant. Oh, don't kill me. Please. 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 No! No. No. I'm falling down here. Because I want this shard. Okay. 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 Who's gonna die? Who will die? Who's gonna die? Retarded? Retarded. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. No. No. Retarded! Don't kill me! Don't even think about it! Don't even think about it! Don't even think about it! Retarded! I'm gonna get you! Oh! Yes, I won! I'm bouncing like this. Oh, I won that round. I'm going back for the high ground. I need that high ground there. That is how you win. 3, 2, 1, go. I want the high ground. Oh, I actually want this present right here really bad. I really want it, like really, really bad, really bad. Thank you. Can I have it? Can I have it? Thank you. Thank you for this present. Peasant. I got the best present out of them all. I got pressed present. Yeah, chicks, chicks, chicks. You will die today, chicks. No, no. Wait, where am I? Where am I? Okay. Where's Chicks? Chicks. Chickix. Where is he? Where is he? There he is. Oh! Retarded died. Where's Chickix? Oh, there he is. Hey, Chickix. Or Chicks, whatever his name is. Guys, I honestly think this is the best game. Yes, I can. I like this game. My sister just talked to me. Who'll win, Chickix or Chicks or Chicks? Chicks won, yes. Oh, on your reindeer too, bro. I'm going up for the high ground again. I like that high ground. Oh. Get away! Get away! Get away from me! Oh, I almost just fell out of the world. Nico. The boy. You just killed both of them already? Oh. I see something cool. I see you. I see you. Can I get on him with F? And left click? Oh no! Oh! Ooh. F? It's F! Yeah! Yeah! No, how did he win? He was at the lowest of them. Look at him! He's on his right there! There's only 4 of us. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, get away! Get away! Get away! Get away from me! Get away! 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 Get away from me! Get away! Get away! Get away! Yeah! Yeah, bro! Yeah! Yeah! No! Retard! I'm just gonna get that with this F. I'm just gonna use the key F. The key, whatever it's called on the keyboard, F to win. But I didn't get to win. Arlo! Yeah! Haha. Necro, you lose! Retard! No! I got hit! There's people fighting back there. Oh, I want that present, but I wanted to get it because I'm... Can I get this present though? Yes. Can I? Can I have it? I want this present, please. F. Yes. I don't know. Oh. Oh. Yes. No, I don't want you to win. Yes. No. No, Nico. Okay. Okay, guys. I think that will wrap up our video for today. And thank you, and bye!